Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the life and works of George Gascoigne. Introduction. George Gascoigne, 1539 to 1577, is considered one of the founders of the great Elizabethan literary tradition. Known for his versatility and innovation, Gascoigne made significant contributions to poetry, drama, and prose. This video explores his life, key works, and lasting impact on English Renaissance literature. Early life and education. George Gascoigne was born in Cardington, Bedfordshire, England, to John Gascoigne, a landowner and farmer. He was educated at Trinity College, Cambridge, although records of his attendance are unclear. In 1555, he joined Gray's Inn to study law and became an almoner at the coronation of Elizabeth I. Gascoigne's early education and exposure to the court laid the groundwork for his diverse career. Career and contributions. Political and military career. Despite financial and legal troubles, Gascoigne served in Parliament from 1557 to 1559. In 1571, he joined the army and served under the Prince of Orange in the Netherlands, facing accusations of treason at one point. His political and military experiences significantly influenced his literary work, adding depth and authenticity to his writing. Literary works. Gascoigne's literary output included poetry, plays, and prose, showcasing his versatility and innovation. Poetry. His collection, 100 Sundry Flowers, 1573, later revised as The Poesies of George Gascoigne Esquire, 1575, included poems and prose that reflected his keen observations of the life and society. The Steel Glass, 1576, one of the first regular satires in English, was notable for its use of blank verse, a significant innovation in English poetry. Although important work, The Complaint of Philomene demonstrated Gascoigne's skill in Ovidian verse narrative. Plays. Gascoigne's contributions to drama were equally significant. His tragedy Jocasta 1566 was one of the first Greek tragedies presented on the English stage. Supposes 1566, based on Ludovico Ariosto's I Suppositi, was the first prose comedy in English and later served as a source for Shakespeare's The Taming of the Shrew. Additionally, his play The Glass of Government, 1575, explored the prodigal son theme in a didactic manner. Prose. Gascoigne's prose works also reflected his innovative spirit. The Adventures of Master F.J., 1573, a hybrid of poetry and prose, is considered one of the first English novels. The Spoil of Antwerp, 1576, an account of the sacking of Antwerp, is an early example of war journalism characterized by its objective and graphic reporting. Innovations and influence. Gascoigne was a pioneer in many aspects of English Renaissance literature. He introduced the use of blank verse in non-dramatic English poetry and was instrumental in domesticating foreign literary genres. His Certain Notes of Instruction, 1575, was the first treatise on English prosody, providing valuable insights into the art of poetry writing. Gascoigne's work influenced his contemporaries and later writers, including Edmund Spenser and Philip Sidney, particularly through his formal experimentation and thematic exploration. Personal life and legacy. Gascoigne faced numerous personal challenges, including imprisonment for debt and legal disputes. His controversial marriage to Elizabethan Breton added to his tumultuous personal life. Despite these difficulties, Gascoigne continued to produce significant literary works. He died of illness in 1577 near Stamford, Lincolnshire. His legacy endures through his contributions of poetry, drama and prose, and he is remembered as a skilled literary craftsman and a pioneer of the English Renaissance. Conclusion: George Gascoigne's contributions to Elizabethan literature were profound and far-reaching. His works in poetry, drama, and prose showcased his versatility and innovation, influencing the literary landscape of his time and beyond. Gascoigne's legacy as a pioneer of English Renaissance literature endures, offering valuable insights into the intellectual and cultural climate of Elizabethan England. So this was the discussion on the life and works of George Gascoigne. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.